Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jizav Jnana Tirtha Vidyalaya Parbhani. So friends, today we have to see the general science of standard 6th. In that we are in the third chapter, diversity in living things and their classification. In this topic, in the last video, we have seen the diversity of living things. After that, diversity in plant. In that, different types of heterotrophic or insectivorous plant we have seen and study about their information. Okay, so friends, today we have to see the next topic. The name of the topic is the structure of a plant. So in the structure of plant, see, plant structure can generally be divided into two parts: the stem, which grows above the ground, and the root, which grows below the ground surface. The root, stem and leaves are the main parts of plant. From time to time, plants bear flower for reproduction. Flowers are transformed into fruits. Fruits have seeds. Seed gives rise to a new plant. See, this is the information about the structure of plant. Okay, in this structure we have to see the information about the first part of a plant, that is the root. See the information about the root. Root hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. The main function of the root are to be absorbed by transport water and nutrients from the soil. See, these are the functions of root. In that function, the roots hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. With the help of that, plant can stand. The main function of the root are to absorb and transport water and nutrients from the soil and supply to all parts of the plant. Okay, this is the main function. The roots of the carrot and radish also store food. See, roots like a carrot and radish are the types of roots, and in that plant the food is stored in their root. There are two types of roots. First one is a taproot and second one is a fibrous root. You can see or observe both types of roots in the picture present on the screen in the right corner below. See, there is a taproot, hibiscus, banyan, fibrous root, onion, grass. Okay, this is about the root. After that, stem. Okay, the next part of plant is stem. The height, shape and size of a plant depend upon the stem. Okay, the stem carries out the function of production, conduction and storage of food. In some plants, it has the function of reproduction. It gives support to other parts of the plant. Root gives support to the stem and stem gives support to the other parts of the plant like fruit, branches, leaves, etc. Okay, so this is about the second part of the plant, that is the stem. Next is the leaf. The leaf is flat. It plays an important role in the production of food. We called the process as photosynthesis. Leaves are mainly of two types, simple and compound leaves. You can observe these types of leaves in the picture present on the screen. See, there are two types of leaves. First one is the simple leaf and second one is the compound leaf. Okay. Next part, the flower. This is the most attractive part of a plant. It is connected to the stem by a stalk which may be long or short. A flower has a typical color and shape. The flower is an important means of reproduction. See, the most attractive part of the plant is flower. It is connected to the stem by a stalk. A flower has a typical color and shape. The flower of different plant is different in their shape, color, size, etc. The flower is an important means of reproduction because the fruit is come out from the flower, and from that fruit there is a seed inside the fruit. So like this, flower is a important means of reproduction. Okay. Next part, the fruit. Fruits have different shapes. Fruit contains one or more seeds. The pods of beans and peas are actually fruits. See, the pods and beans of peas are actually fruits because there is a seed inside that pod or beans. Okay. So this is the information about the structure of plant. In this structure we have seen the structural parts step by step, like root, stem, leaf, flower and finally fruit. So all the plants are structured in the same manner. So friend, we have seen the information about this, so we will stop here. The next topic we have to take in the next video. Okay, thank you.